we'll discuss another topic, that is issue of equality in other democracy. Now whatever if we have seen in India, we find out there are so many laws by that India for the equality, and earlier before the constitution not enforced, we were having no any law by that and people were treated inequality. But after the constitution we come forced to follow the constitution. But there are so many issues in other part of the countries also. So we'll just discuss and just put a light on this. So struggle against the inequality is not limited to India only. There are many other democratic countries suffering from this problem. Now here one example in the textbook is given about this United States of America and African Americans huge inequality. Now before you must know what is African American. See, as America was ruling other part of the countries, so at that time when America was ruling, that time African people were under the rule of Americans, and they bring the slaves. Mostly the slaves are brought from Africa only. These people, American people, used to keep the African people as a slave, and they started living there only in America. And as they are living there, that time only when they are slaves, how can it possible they will become so rich in front of USA people? अब उनको स्लेव बना के लाए तो उनकी बराबरी कैसा देंगे उनको? तो उनको हमेशा उन्होंने इंफीरियर ही रखा. किसने? अमेरिकन लोगों ने उसको अफ्रीकन को इंफीरियर ही रखा और उनको डिस्क्रिमिनेट ही किया हमेशा. और उनको एक तो फिर ऊपर से वो लोग काले भी थे, ब्लैक इन कलर्स, और वो लोग बहुत फेयर थे, तो हमेशा उनके में रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हमेशा ही रहा जाता था. तो we are going to see this all. African American are treated extremely unequal in United States, and they divided equality, they deny equality through the laws. और उनके फिर उनके बाद भी लॉ भी आने के बाद भी, कुछ लॉज बनने के बाद भी, जैसे कि तो भी उनका कुछ फॉलो नहीं करते थे वो लोग लॉज को. वो अफ्रीकन्स को हमेशा इंफीरियर समझते थे, राइट. सो अमेरिका were treated extremely unequal to these people in United States, and they have to do very पुअर वर्क, दैट मीन्स बहुत नीचे का काम करना पड़ता था उनको. जैसे कि किसी के नौकर बन जाओ, कार को ड्राइवर बन जाओ, या ये छोटे मोटे काम. और कहीं कहीं जगह पे तो उनके पास तो ऐसे उनके पास बूथ होते थे जो कि वाइट पीपल के लिए अलग बूथ और ब्लैक पीपल के अलग बूथ, वाइट पीपल का अलग बस स्टॉप, ब्लैक पीपल का अलग बस स्टॉप. इसी तरह से उनको बहुत इंफीरियर का सामना करना पड़ा. So they are totally largely today also they are largely unequal actually. So prior to this African this thing, for example, when they are traveling in the bus, they have to sit on the back of the bus, or they have to get up from the seat whenever they while the person is wished to sit. ऐसा उनको देगा. We are going to study the story of Rosa Parks. We'll come to know idea what was the situation in USA, right? We'll discuss the story of Rosa. Now we'll see the story of Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks was an African American woman. See the story. We'll come to see. We will see what happened here. And there was no in USA there was a system that if the white person wished to sit in the bus, then the black has to sit either a seat at the back side of the seat, or at the last bench, or otherwise they have to get up from their seat, or they have to get up from their seat. Otherwise अगर अब कोई काला बैठा हुआ है उधर और जैसे कि अफ्रीकन बैठा हुआ है, वो उसको फर्स्ट सीट में बैठना नहीं है. ही हैज़ टू गो लास्ट सीट, वो उसके लिए. अदरवाइज या तो सीट बस के नीचे उतर जाओ, ठीक है. सो रोजा पार्क्स वाज द लेडी एंड वुमेन, एन अमेरिकन वुमेन, एंड शी केम फ्रॉम टायर्ड. शी वाज वेरी टायर्ड. शी केम फ्रॉम वर्क एंड फॉर द लॉन्ग डे वर्क. So what happened? She was sitting on the bus, and she refused to give up her seat to the white man on 1st December 1995. And what happened? She refused to get up. I will not get up. What? I am tired. I will not get up. He said to white people. So when she refused to do this refusal, that day what happened, a huge agitation started. That means ऐसा कैसा, ऑल आर तुम लोग हमको बहुत अनइक्वल करते हो, इसी तरह से एक बहुत जोड़ का आंदोलन शुरू हो गया. तब से आंदोलन शुरू हो गया कि हमारे को राइट दो, हमारे को ऐसा क्या राइट है कि हम पीछे बैठे, हम कार ले तो क्या हो. दे शुड बी ट्रीटेड विथ कम टू द सिविल, दैट राइट नेम वाज सिविल राइट मूवमेंट. ये मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ in from 1995. Then one act was passed, the Civil Rights Movement Act was passed in 1964, prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion and national origin. जैसे कि अगर ये एक एक्ट पास हुआ, ये इनकी स्ट्रगल, ये लोग ने सब में फाइट किया गवर्नमेंट से, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ अमेरिका से कि हमको राइट दो. तो उन्होंने फाइट करने के बाद उनको 1964 में राइट मिला, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिविल राइट एक्ट. वो मिलने के बाद उसमें ये एक्ट में ऐसा लिखा हुआ था, that act was written that basis of race मतलब कलर, रिलीजन और नेशनल ओरिजिन मतलब कौन से देश से आए हो, क्या है, वो सब कुछ नहीं ना. इट शुड बी स्टेटेड दैट ऑल स्कूल्स वुड बी ओपन फॉर अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन. हर स्कूल खुला होना चाहिए उनके लिए. देयर शुड बी नो लाइक दिस कि तुम ये नहीं बच्चे नहीं पढ़ेंगे, उन्हीं बच्चे गए. नो लॉन्गर हैव टू अटेंड अ सेपरेट स्कूल स्पेशली सेट अप देम. Earlier I told you these people have bust up different school, different, everything was different. So but here they are telling ki there is no separate different school, there is only common school. However, despite the majority of African American continue among the poorest in the country, whatever it is, and most of the African children can only afford and to attend the government school and few facilities of poor qualified teachers as compared to white students who either go to private school or live the areas of the government school and highly rate private school. So those are the white people, they are only have a right to go very rich school and they are treated very good in the school. But this, after this act, this Civil Rights Act passed, because of this all discrimination should be removed because of this lady Rosa Parks. And Rosa Parks' woman changed the course of American history within the one definite act. And you know, so most of the children who are attending the government school American, most of the African children, those who are going to government, very poor, they are poor, so they go for the only government school. But even the qualified teachers are in white school only. And you